The lost sound.
Teacher. Okay, settle down, everyone.
Alex, whispering to Mia, doesn't it feel weird in here?
Mia, it's too quiet. I can't think. Ben tries to tell a joke, but his friend just gives him a tired look. No one's in the mood for a laugh today.
Alex points, look.
Bell sound. Soft, sad voice. We left.
Mia, you left.
Bell sound. No one likes us anymore. They complain when we ring. They replaced me with that quiet little beep.
Chalk sound, raspy whisper, it's true. The teacher sighed when I screeched. The students covered their ears.
Mia, your laugh is gone.
Laughter sound no gurgly, said voice, oh, I'm a hero.
Alex, but a world without bells, or chalk sounds, or laughter. That's just quiet.
Ben, and super boring.
Alex, we have to bring you back.
Bell sound. But what if they still don't like us?
Mia, then we'll show them how important you are. We'll make them appreciate you. I have an idea. Ben, is it a party? Please say it's a party. Mia, smiling close.
Alex, today, we want to share something with you.
Teacher, that's the most beautiful music I've ever heard.
Like and subscribe, and also click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching the video.